We're here today to welcome the NASA Administrator, Mr. Jim Bridenstine. He has been willing to come talk to us, tour the Space Science Center, and we have such a tremendous link with our space science program and NASA that it's great to have him here to look at the program and talk to us a little bit about where NASA's going in the future. And we have Craft Academy students, we have students from across campus, and of course our space science and space engineering students here to listen to what Mr. Bridenstine has to say and to hopefully be inspired to pursue space careers and NASA careers.
So I will tell you, as the NASA Administrator, I have been overwhelmingly impressed by Morehead State University and the Space Science Center here at Morehead State University. Morehead is doing something that is very unique. They are in fact building satellites that NASA is going to use at the moon to make discoveries so that we can do more and better science than ever before. What I love about what Morehead State University is doing is that they're doing it in a way that is going to keep on schedule and on budget, and even better, it's including students, undergraduate students, in a way that's very meaningful.
He's the top guy. He fits in here well, and it's a real honor to have him on campus because of all of the real sophisticated things we're doing here on the campus now, and a lot of kids benefit by this, and frankly, getting him to kick the tires here is a real positive for us, and so we're really privileged to have him.
So when we partner as an agency with universities, what we find is that schedules and budgets actually work. You get the engineers sitting side by side with the scientists, and they're having to make the trades to stay within budget. What do we have to give up? And if we give something up, do we get the science that we need? They make those trades early in the process, and they're able to maintain cost and schedule. And then while they're doing it all, they're including students. And those students, when they graduate from Morehead State University, they become not always employees of NASA, but employees of industry that NASA uses. So it really is, it's a win-win-win when we partner with universities. And this time we're partnering in a way that is extremely meaningful for what we're trying to achieve on the moon, which is getting to where that water ice is, and then eventually using that water ice for life support. Air to breathe, water to drink, but also rocket fuel. Hydrogen and oxygen is the same rocket fuel that powered the space shuttles, and it's available in hundreds of millions of tons on the south pole of the moon. And the glory of the moon is it doesn't have an atmosphere. It's got a gravity well that's 1/6 that of the Earth, which means any fuel that we can get from the moon can be removed from the moon very easily. We can put it into space, and we can create fueling depots around the moon. And what's fascinating is all that's going to be starting from the research that's being done right here at Morehead State University.